How to make everyone can see your current city on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your current city on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click this one, profile information, and here you will find your current city. Click on it and click edit and type your current city again and select it, and here you will find privacy setting. Click on it and select public and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.